Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two popular drones for kids, the Q9s Drones for kids and the Holy Stone HS440 drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Q9s Drones for kids is priced at just $49, making it a budget-friendly option for parents. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is priced at $129, which is a bit higher. So if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Q9s is the way to go. Now let's talk about the features. The Q9s Drones for kids comes with bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue lights, providing a vivid flight experience. It also has 3 different display modes for lighting, which adds to the fun. Additionally, it has 4 sturdy propeller guards for secure flights and is made from high-quality ABS material, making it durable and reliable. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees. This allows you to capture stunning aerial scenery from a wide-angle lens. It also offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, thanks to its powerful modular battery. The HS440 is packed with advanced features, such as automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation, making it a versatile choice for creative exploration. User-friendliness is an important factor, especially when it comes to drones for kids. The Q9s Drones for kids offers a range of user-friendly features. It has one-button takeoff, landing, and return functions, making it easy for beginners to control. It also has 3 speed options to choose from, catering to both beginners and skilled players. The altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically in the air, even without any input from the controller. Similarly, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is designed with user experience in mind. It offers automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and an intuitive control system. It also has features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it beginner-friendly. With the HS440, you can simply focus on capturing stunning content without worrying about complex controls. Battery life is always a crucial aspect to consider when buying a drone. The Q9s Drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, providing double the flight time for more fun. This means your kids can enjoy extended playtime without interruptions. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone also offers a decent flight time of up to 20 minutes, thanks to its powerful modular battery. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture breathtaking moments. Based on online reviews, the Q9s Drones for kids is praised for being user-friendly, lightweight, and easy to control. Reviewers love its vibrant LED lights and the fact that it comes with 2 batteries for extended playtime. However, some reviewers mentioned that the battery life could be improved. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is highly regarded for its advanced features, high-definition camera, and intuitive control system. Reviewers appreciate its extended flight time and the durability of the drone. However, some reviewers mentioned that it only comes with 1 battery, which could be a drawback for some users. And there you have it. We've compared the Q9s Drones for kids and the Holy Stone HS440 drone in various categories. The Q9s is a budget-friendly option with vibrant LED lights and user-friendly features, perfect for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 offers advanced features, a high-definition camera, and an intuitive control system, making it a great choice for those looking for a more professional drone experience. Remember, it's important to consider your budget, desired features, and user-friendliness when choosing a drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.